Babak, it's a pleasure to have you here. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Heard great things about your invention and 3D printing homes, which will be much valued not only in US but across the world, especially in the developing economies.
Yes.
So share with us about your invention.
Yeah, the goal was basically to bring technology and robotics to make housing and construction more affordable, especially for when it comes to developing countries, and bringing housing for the homeless people, and to make it more affordable. And one of the challenges in the construction industry is one of the most dangerous job in the world. It has one of the highest fertility rate among all the industry, and is lagging behind when it comes to the technology. So we started inventing this technology at University of Southern California back to early 2000, and we developed several robotics and sustainable material, and also we built some project in California based on this technology.
So Babak, when it comes to a pricing point, let's say there is an average home in a developing economy, typically mother, father, couple kids. What is the size, square foot area of the house, and what is the cost of construction? I'm sure you tried it here, but if we move it to India, for example, and now that we are at this event where the state of Tamil Nadu government is coming and presenting the opportunities there, any thoughts on that?
There are several aspects when it comes to the technology and implementing it in different areas. One of the part of the research that we did actually was how we can bring in locally sourced material and locally sourced talents while we are implementing this technology. So what we did in California to lower down the cost, basically the project that we did in Northern California, we all used locally raw material from the source, didn't ship any material, which saves energy in terms of transportation, cost, anything else. And the same thing that in Southern California, everything was basically supplied through locally. So that's one of the goals in this technology that we have successfully shown that is doable and is practical. When it comes to the size of the house, we started with the smallest scale houses, like about 60 square meters, 70 square meter, and we went all the way up to 150, 160 square meter, like a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house for a small family.
So I'm supposing the price point will depend on the geography and the local resources that are available.
Exactly, but the thing is, one of the beauty of this technology is you can utilize locally sourced materials. So even you can, if you can go through the approval and the code and so on, you can even use the soil beneath the ground and combine it with some chemicals to make the housing, as long as it's within the code and the standard in terms of structural strengths.
If I take your example of 150, 160 square meters, how much time does it take to put that together and be able to move in?
One of the last projects that we did in California, it took us about 5.5 days to basically put all the walls together, and a couple of weeks to do all the rest of the building. So within the months, it should be doable.
What's your hope now, talking to the Chief Minister who is visiting here from Tamil Nadu?
That my hope is the dream that I had from the beginning. So how we can extend this technology to the places that they need housing for the people. How we can work with the local government and the people to bring this technology to the mainstream for the people that they really need. I don't want the technology to stay for the sake of the technology. We have to bring it to the mainstream to basically show it to the people and let people get access to that affordable housing.
All right, it's a great technology, and I hope that it is leveraged by not just India but many countries across the world. And I wish you the very best for your next meeting with the Chief Minister here.
I hope so. I'm really looking forward to it and talk to him and see how we can basically leverage this technology and the potential in India to work together and find out better solution for the people of India and all over the world.
Thank you. It's a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you. Same here. Thank you very much for your time.